In this video, we're going to cover how to get your Sisu Lab program into a format you can import into Unreal Engine. I've created this program in Sisu Lab and I want to export it into Unreal Engine and view the camera movements as a virtual camera in my Unreal Engine scene. A couple of reasons I might want to do that is to allow my post-production team to synchronize things like effects, put targets to some of the objects that the camera is looking at, and overall get a better idea of how the video that I'm getting from my robot can actually synchronize with my Unreal Engine and my post-production visual effects. And so I've run it. It looks pretty good to me. Now I want to actually get it into a format that I can import into Unreal Engine. So what I can do in Sisu Lab, I'll stop the program. I will connect a USB stick to the side of the case. And then I can go into the main menu and then select Export VFX. And so in the top left, I can make sure that I have Unreal Engine selected. And then I can actually use the file icon to change my file path to whatever I have connected to the case. So here it's a USB drive. I can give it the file name that I want. I'm going to keep it called VFX test and hit save. So that has my file path selected. The next section, camera position, can apply an offset for where the camera is going to import into your Unreal Engine project. And so X and Y are going to be the base of that robot, and then Z is actually the vertical. So we use Z axis as up in Sisu Lab. And so that Z, we automatically import the distance for the pedestal or tripod that your robot is mounted on. And then lastly, we have the depth of field. In our program, I have a focus and a zoom channel. And so we're automatically pulling the depth of field information for your virtual camera in Unreal from your channels in your program. Current aperture is not set because I don't have an iris channel in my program. So if I want to match what I have set up here, I can actually go in and enter in what I have set for my camera, which is an aperture of 4. I can type in 4 here, hit enter, and then select export. You'll see a screen as the file exports and then a notification when it's done saying that it successfully created the file. I'll then take that file and in another video we'll show you how to import that into Unreal Engine.